even if you were excited about the halving, you've obviously seen Bitcoin fall off meaningfully after that. And even if you were excited about the potential for Bitcoin, it hasn't created that buying moment off the heels of runes that we saw that first day of excitement. So how do you think about the potential here and when things will finally turn around?
We're in a bit of an interstitial period during what is a primary bull market. And during, all of the previous cycles, we've had pullbacks of 20, 30, even 40% within the main trend. At Starkiller, we run momentum and trend following models on, the liquid token universe. And we're not seeing a serious breakdown in any of the models that we run here. Bitcoin specifically, that $60,000 level also happens to be the volume weighted average price from the bottom after the ETF approval. So, as long as the market defends that price level, we're still kind of within the primary trend. And then obviously we're seeing, the macro environment take a little wind out of the rally. It was natural that we needed to stop after basically going straight from 25 to 70K here. And then you've got the altcoin universe, which had run incredibly strong and needed a pretty significant pullback to reset. But in kind of markets parlance here, it seems like we are consolidating over time instead of price, which after the run that we've had is a pretty good sign.
Leigh, what happens though if the market doesn't defend 60,000? What if we see Bitcoin move lower? What ends up happening to the model then?
Yeah, so that would put it more into a no position or a sell. Certainly, long term, it's not a short. Over a longer term horizon here, given the 200-day moving average and the other kind of longer term trend following models. But yeah, you could see a pretty swift move down to 50K, which is kind of where the support after the ETF would come in, and then we'd have a much more kind of mixed intermediate term trend signal at that point.